హలో అండి, సౌమ్య గారు హాయ్, శ్వేత గారు హాయ్. ఇక్కడే ఉండి వెళ్ళకు, అందించాలిరా ముందు. సుష్మా, ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. హౌ ఆర్ యూ? ఒక్కసారి అది లైట్ ఆన్ చేయలేకపోతే కలర్ కనపడకపోతే. విక్కీ గారు హాయ్. పద్మలత మ్యామ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. రిషిత మ్యామ్ హాయ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ కోత అన్నపూర్ణ శ్రీధర్ గారు. పద్మలత గారు హాయ్. So good evening to all of you Andy. So this episode we are going to do the beautiful Banarasi organzas. Bhuneshwari ma'am, hi. And ma'am, congratulations on your new house. I have seen the video. It's beautiful. The sofa is good. I have seen the entire video and I also saw the pictures. It's nice ma'am. అక్కడ రాదు నాన్న, అక్కడ అమ్మ రూమ్లో పెట్టు. ఇంకా కొంచెం బ్యాక్ వెళ్ళాలి. ఇంకా we're just trying to do the lights adjustments. Padmaja aunty వాళ్ళు కొంచెం ఒంట్లో బాగాలేదు, సో ఐ థాట్ ఐల్ డూ ఫ్రమ్ హోమ్ ఓన్లీ. పద్మలత గారు థ్యాంక్ యూ. My earrings are pretty. My neck piece is also pretty. My house ma'am. Today I did not go to office, but a lot of people were waiting for this 30% off to 30% off, because the last 2 days now I thought I'll come down live and show. My sari is a sea green only, but in video it is little light. At better inka. Yeah. Thank you. కనిపిస్తుందా క్లియర్గా? చూపిద్దామా సారీస్? Bhuneshwari ma'am, I think I'll be coming to Chennai in 10 days. I'll surely visit you over there. Sridevi garu, hi. So the beautiful jewelry is by nobody else today. I thought I'll bangles బాగున్నాయిగా శశి మ్యామ్. I'll show you everything. You guys can see. నాన్న కొంచెం లైట్గా అంతే. So check out the beautiful earrings ma'am. These are the pretty earrings which are... Hey Srijna, yes, I like the soap gift you have given. Thank you so much and wish you good luck. మధ్య మధ్యలో కొంచెం గిన్నెల సౌండ్లు, ప్లేట్ సౌండ్స్ వస్తాయి. మా అమ్మ అన్నం వండుతోంది, ఏమనుకోవద్దు సరేనా? అమ్మ నువ్వు సౌండ్ చేయకు. అమ్మ లైవ్ చేస్తున్నాను, సౌండ్ ఆపంటే నేను బియ్యం కడుక్కున్నాక నువ్వు లైవ్ చేసుకో అంట. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రిటీ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ అండి, వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్. యూ సీ Nice peacock with these studs. Sorry, with this buttas. I so love this jewelry. And this neck piece. This is a lovely neck piece, Sandy. And these are the beautiful bangles. These are the beautiful diamond bangles, Andy. The bangles are from Pavanmo Jewelers, Andy. And jewelry is by Manjula Jewelers. Sumalata ma'am, thank you. Ma'am, this is just 1.6 lakhs or something. You guys can buy them. Just casually you guys can wear. And I also checked on the price of the earrings. They are around 5 lakhs or something. Amma, no live lo raak amma. Please kucha amma. What sarees are we going to see today? Ma'am, we are going to see the Banarasi sarees. We are going to see Tussar sarees. We are going to see the brocade sarees. We have very good collection today. A lot of people who missed the saree what I wore, I'll show you. This is what I'm wearing, Gandhi. Very beautiful saree. Madhuri, thank you, Nana. I love the saree what I'm wearing, and I have one more color in this. This is what I'm wearing. Beautiful organza with this pure weave, ma'am. It's all pure weave. This is the pure weaving. And you look at the border. It's beautiful. Very beautiful border and beautiful saree. Organza pure Banarasi saree, ma'am. This is. You see the weave, completely pure weave it is. So, Papa, ma'am, please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. Lots of love to you also, ma'am. This is a screenshot. 9949047889. What other color? Ma'am, I have a light lilac purple. Let me show you. Papa, lilac chupi. Ma'am, this is also nice, but I so love this color. See this color? Excellent color this is. This is the other color. Beautiful lilac. Very beautiful color, ma'am. See? The price of the saree is 19,500, ma'am. It's a pure Banaras organza. You see the weave and everything? 19,500. Lovely sarees, ma'am. I have one more in copper sulphate blue also. Ma'am, don't miss these sarees. They are very pretty. 19,500. The one I'm wearing and the one I'm showing you also. See, this is how the saree is. Pallu, and this is the blouse. The blouse has complete lines, so it looks really pretty when you wear it. Antina? 19,500, correct, ma'am? Keep inspiring like this. Your example for many people. Thank you, Harika. Ma'am, it's 19,500, and blouse kuttichukunte ila chala baaguntundi. This is itla bettanana. Very pretty sari, and when you stitch it on the sleeves, the vertical stripes looks very cool on this. Both the saris are 19,500, and this is this light blue color. Lovely sari, ma'am. This is also very beautiful. This is also 19,500, pure Banarasi organza, ma'am. It's a pure sari with pure weave. This is how it is. Rishita ma'am, I will. Don't worry. You look pretty as usual, and by the way, you dress up and get ready greatly. Can share your makeup products. Archana ma'am, Tapukunda. This is a beautiful light sky blue color, and it's a very beautiful sari. All over the border, you have a dull gold, dull silver, or dull gold, whatever you call. No spin wheel today. Babu, spin wheel teleda. Ekkadundi? ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ ఉండే కదా ఏం చేస్తున్నా మరి నువ్వేం చేస్తున్నా డాన్స్ చేస్తున్నా రేపు తీసుకుంటా మ్యామ్ టుమారో ఐ విల్ స్పెన్ ద వీల్ ఫర్ యూ గైజ్ ఓకే Amardeepti ma'am, yes, I'll give you the offers also. These 3 sarees are 19,500. This is a beautiful organza ma'am. Undoubtedly very pretty saree this is, see, with this pallu and with this blouse. It's 19,500. Show that award once. No, get that. Icon awards. Ma'am, recently just Tumba because I'm at home. I thought I'll show you the awards which I received recently. This is one award I have received. For what? For basically the best entrepreneur. This is one award. And this is Icon Awards, ma'am. This also I received very recently. This is for the best, again, leadership skills, I think. Best entrepreneur or best leadership. And this is something very special. This is received on Women's Day. This is for Dicky, by Dicky. This is also one of the recent award I have received. So thought I'll share you, long way to go. Next one please. So all these 3 sarees what I've shown you are 19,500. This is one more beautiful organza saree ma'am. Very beautiful beige color organza. అమ్మ చేత దిష్టి తీయించుకోండి తప్పకుండా మేడం. This is a beautiful organza with the pink color border. It's a lovely saree, Andy. You see this border? Beautiful it is. And this is the pallu. And this is the blouse. The price of this saree is also 19,500. And don't forget to avail the 30% off on this saree. Thank you, Bhuvneshwari ma'am. Oh wow, this is also lovely ma'am. A lot of people want to see what I'm wearing. This is what I'm wearing. I have a yellow color in this. Let me show you. Ma'am, this is how it is. Nana blouse with dog saree. Congratulations my lovely Didi. Thank you. Sultana Anis, thank you. People who want to buy what I'm wearing, this is how it looks if I stitch the blouse and everything. It's 19,500. See how beautiful it is, ma'am. Border with Nana. This is how it is, ma'am, with border and everything. I love such kind of sarees because they look very regal and they make you very comfortable and rich also at the same time. So something very contemporary as well as traditional. Archana, eagerly waiting to meet you. Thank you, Nana. Me too. So this is how it's looking, ma'am. And I have a yellow color in this. Let me show you the yellow. You need telustundi kada varki. Oh, yellow is also very pretty, ma'am. 30% off ఏదైతే ఇచ్చానో అది పక్కన పెట్టినా మ్యామ్. See this yellow? Lovely yellow. Beautiful yellow, ma'am. Jewelry is by Manjula Jewelers, Andi. Very beautiful jewelry they have. Why Jayanti Sridhar ma'am, this lilac, this yellow are only 3 pieces I have, ma'am. Sassy, you're a cutie pie. Thank you. This is how the yellow is, Andi. Beautiful yellow organza saree. This is lovely. It looks. And look at the border, ma'am. Beautiful pure Banarasi weave. This is all beautiful Banarasi weave, ma'am. Don't miss it. You guys can go with a yellow blouse or orange blouse. So whichever you like. This is how the pallu is. And this is the blouse. 19,500, ma'am. Archana ma'am, hi. This is how the saree is, Andy. On these 4 sarees, we don't have discount, ma'am, but the rest all I'll give you the discount. ఈసారి ఇల్లు కూడా నువ్వు షాప్ చేసేసావా మ్యామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆర్గాన్జా సారీ. కింది పెట్టినా ఏం కాదు. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఆర్గాన్జా సారీ, ఆర్గాన్జా టిష్యూ. I was seeing Money Heist today, yesterday. I did not go to my office and I was seeing Money Heist andi. This is a lovely red color organza saree andi. Beautiful red. Shashi garu, I missed it. Shashi garu, really I'm waiting the day to meet you andi. నువ్వు జరుగు, ఇంకా లైట్ కావాలి నాకు. ఇటు వచ్చేస్తే శారీస్ ఇవ్వు నాన్న. నేను అటు పెడుతున్నావు దాని మీద. ఓకే, మీ హబ్బీని చూపించండి. మా హబ్బీ ఇల్లు కూడా నువ్వు ఆఫీస్ చేస్తున్నావా, నువ్వు ఎక్కడ దొరికేవే నాకు పెళ్ళాం కానీ తిడుతున్నారు. సో ఇప్పుడు చూపించిన తర్వాత ఎప్పుడైనా చూపిస్తాను. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ రెడ్ కలర్ టిష్యూ సారీ అండి. వెరీ నైస్ ఇట్ ఇస్. See, this is how the border is and this is how the tissue is with a completely red color. నా బ్లౌజ్ పెట్టరా. చాప వేసుకోరా, చాప వేసుకుంటే నీకు చీరలు అట్లా వేసుకో. Beautiful red saree it is. Any royal blue color available? Yes ma'am, I'll show you. And this is how the blouse is andi. What is the price of this saree? Ma'am, this is nice, sober and class. Lilac no discount ma'am. I just have 3 sarees of that. Nana itipra koncham. Ma'am, don't miss these sarees because they are very nice. This is how it is. Very pretty saree. Price? The price of the saree is 19,900. You have a 30% discount on this saree, ma'am. Don't miss this. Hi ma'am, I'm Manju from Chennai. I like you and I love your way of presenting. Thank you Manju. This is a light green Banarasi organza. This is a light green Banarasi organza andi. Very beautiful it is. What is the price of this saree? Ma'am, this saree is 14,000 and you have a 20% off on this. 20% off with this jal design. So not jal. And with this brocade blouse, printed blouse ma'am. Don't miss this saree. 14,000 and you have a 20% off. Pennunda? రాసుకోవాలి నాన్న, మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోతారు మీరు. అక్కడ ఉంది చూడు. పక్కన పెట్టదు, సపరేట్ పెట్టుకో. దిస్ ఇస్ అ లవ్లీ సారీ అండి. దిస్ ఇస్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ lilac color with a mustard border saree. This is how it is. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Ma'am, you have a 30% off on this saree. This is how the saree is. Ana koncham idu dipara itu koddiga. Na phone chupiva naku. Ma'am, this is the కనిపిస్తుందా క్లియర్గా అన్న లైవ్? ప్రైస్ ఎంతది? Ma'am, it has this border, very beautiful border ma'am. This is, ma'am, this is 18,500. You have a 30% off on this. Ma'am, this is 18,500 and you have a 30% off on this. A 400 discount is red में जो है red बेट को. You have to follow the line please Kishore. Okay ma'am, this is the lilac one with a mustard border. It's pretty actually. 18,500 and you have a 30% off. Next one. Pure organzas you don't get at that price, ma'am. I hope you need to know the product value. This is a Lenin sari, Lenin Banarasi sari, and a very beautiful Lenin sari. This is Zoom Nana. Beautiful Lenin Banarasi sari, ma'am. This is with zari completely. The green border is very pretty. Come close little. Okay, done. Didi, please show some work sari which has to be like very classy. Ansuri ma'am, yes. So this is how the sari is, Andi. Very pretty Lenin pure Banarasi sari this is. Very soft it is, with a contrast green border. And the price of this is 17,500, ma'am, and you have a 30% off. These all are the pure fabrics. Please touch and feel them. You guys will understand. 17,500 and you have a 30% off. ఏంటమ్మా మా అమ్మ ఏమిటో రాసి పంపిస్తుంది నాకు. ఏం రాసింది ఏంటి? ఓహో, జీవిత రాజశేఖర్ మేడం వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు ఆ స్టోర్లో. ఓకే ఓకే. అమ్మో ఒక్క నిమిషం మేడం. Ma'am, this is a beautiful mustard sari. Very beautiful mustard sari. It looks lovely with this border and everything. Look at the pure Banarasi border. This is how it is, and the border is very royal. Any brown color, definitely ma'am, I'll show you. And this is how the pallu is. Pallu. Ma'am, good evening. సారీ మ్యామ్, తీసుకోండి మ్యామ్. మీరు చూస్ చేసేసుకున్నారా? ఓకే మ్యామ్. ఓకే మ్యామ్, పర్వాలేదు మ్యామ్. నో ప్రాబ్లం, నో ప్రాబ్లం మ్యామ్. యా, మీకేం నచ్చితే తీసుకోండి మ్యామ్, నేను చెప్తాను వాళ్ళకి. नो प्रॉब्लम. हाँ हाँ मैम को जो पसंद आता वो दे दो, ठीक है? हाँ दे दो, मैं देख लेती, ठीक है? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Tell he to come to in front of the camera, please. Oh, Jeevita Rajshekhar mama. Yeah, ma'am వాళ్ళకి the event ఉందంట. So this is how the Banarasi border andi, very beautiful Banarasi border. See, this is how the weaving and everything, very lovely it looks. This is the border, ma'am. It's an amazing border. Uddara akkade pettu. This is how the sari and the blouse petnana. I like the way you speak in Telugu also. Satyanani garu, thank you. Jeevita Rajshekhar ma'am is a very good person. I know her very well. A lot of people, ma'am, on the screen is different, off the screen is different, ma'am. We just get perceived by the TRP ratings. What actually people are and what we get to see is different. This is a very beautiful yellow and pink combination. This is a lovely banana shadows, Sundrana Vitra. This is a lovely Banarasi sari, ma'am. Don't miss this sari. See how beautiful it is. Ma'am, this is a linen and leno handloom fabric. This is. Kan kadte chala neat ga untundi, ma'am. Royal ga untundi idi. Pure Banarasi, ma'am, it is. And let me show you the pallu also, ma'am. This is how the pallu is. Completely rich Banarasi weave, ma'am. You see the weaving? When your Chennai program, Shashi? Ma'am, after 10 days mostly, but I'll come. I'll surely come. And you have a surprise also. I was asking my staff to share your address. Is it the same address where I ship the saris to you? Because I wanted to send a nice idol to you, ma'am. Because it's a new house, no? Deepu Radoru. ఇలాంటి పర్సనల్ డిస్టర్బెన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి ఇంట్లో కదా. హ్యాడ్ యువర్ డిన్నర్? నాట్ యెట్ మ్యామ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. ద ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సారీ ఈజ్ ఎంత ఇది? Ma'am, this is 18,000 and you have a 20% off. You have a 20% off on this, ma'am. Next one, please. This is a maroon color. Yeah, take it. Yeah, నేను అప్రూవ్ చేశాను, నేను ఇచ్చేయచ్చు. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I just need the pictures, okay? Thank you, Venu. That's okay, you can give it to ma'am, okay? Ma'am, this is a brown color. మా మమ్మీ రాసిన చిట్టి అది. మా మమ్మీని నేను చాలా సీరియస్గా రాకు బయటికి అని అన్న. లుక్ ఎట్ ద వే షీ హెస్ రిటర్న్ ద మెసేజ్ అండ్ సెంట్ మీ. సో నైస్ మమ్మీ ఐ హ్యావ్. My mom writes a message to me because I asked him not to come in front of the live. This is a brown color sari. Beautiful brown with a black border. Ma'am, this has a temple weaving and you have a 30% off on this sari. Nice traditional Banarasi sari this is. And ma'am, this is the pallu. And this has a completely heavy Banarasi blouse. This is the heavy Banarasi blouse. The price of the sari, what I'm showing you is, this sari ma'am has a 50% off. I'll show you if here 50% undira diniki. Whoever wanna buy, check them out ma'am. Idi చూపించి ఇవ్వండి. అక్కడ పక్కన పెట్టేసే. The collection is very good, Shashi. I've seen very less people speak in Telugu in video. I'm very impressed and will definitely suggest. Satyanani garu, thank you. Ma'am, I showed you one in yellow, right? This is one more in green. 18,000 change and you have a 20% off on this. Don't miss this sari, ma'am. This is also a beautiful linen kind of feel. I have so many saris. Stay tuned. Have your dinner and everything and watch me. చాలా బాగుంది మ్యామ్ ఇది కూడా. బార్డర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద సారీ ఇస్. నేను చేసుకుంటాను, ఏం ముట్టద్దు, అది పెట్టుకో కరెక్ట్గా. దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద సారీస్ మ్యామ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ షోన్ యూ ద yellow one, no? In that only you have a green one. Beautiful border. See the border? This is how it is. Very beautiful sari. This is how the linen is. Lovely sari ma'am. It's 18,500 I believe and you have a 20% off, which means that you get it at 14,000 change, or I think so, 14,000 change ma'am. The one I'm wearing is 19,500 ma'am. It's a lovely sari. Lovely until lovely sari it is. This is a pure pink Banarasi sari. Lovely pure Banarasi silk it is. This is a falling Banarasi silk ma'am. Eagerly waiting to see you. Come Chennai, full round koteddam. Bhuvaneshwari ma'am, tappakunda. This is the border. You see the pure weave. This is how the border is ma'am. Green combination is so pretty. Pink and green. Sleeve Petra. What you said is correct. We cannot touch the skin, but taste of the fruit is awesome in the same way. మ్యామ్, ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ అనేది మీరు టచ్ చేసి ఫీల్ చేస్తేనే తెలుస్తుంది. 6,000 3,000 అని అంటూ ఉంటారు, తెలియదు కదా మ్యామ్ మీకు లైవ్లో. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ పింక్ అండ్ గ్రీన్ బనారసీ సారీ దిస్ ఇస్. This is how the blouse. Cute, no ma'am, it is? It's very cute actually. This is how it is ma'am. It has a pure weaving and all over the sari you have checks ma'am. Very beautiful sari. See? Price? 17. Ma'am, the price of the sari is around 16,900 and you have a 30% off on this ma'am. 30% off. Ma'am, this is a black and a green Banarasi sari. This is a black and a green Banarasi sari, ma'am. Organza this is. Pallu petnana. Don't miss, ma'am. I have next the tussar collection coming up, which are beautiful. I'll wear and show you. This is a beautiful black and green Banarasi. I need that brown and black temple. What is temple brown and black? 50%. 50% off. Ma'am, dantlo corner ki koncham threads ఊడిపోయాయి. I want to show you, and if you like in the same way, then only you buy it, ma'am. అందుకే అది 50% off లో వచ్చింది. This is an organza with green. Ma'am, this is 13,000 sari, ma'am, and you have a 10% off on this. This is 13,000. 13,000. You have a 10% off on this. Next. This is a linen sari, ma'am, with pure Banarasi weave. And this is a handloom completely. You see the Jamdani weave and thread weaving all over the sari. And this is how the blouse is. My sari fabric is organza, ma'am. Tussars I'll show you, ma'am. Just few saris are there. I'll show you tussars. The price of this sari, what I'm showing you, ma'am, the one I'm showing you is 18,500 and you have a 30% off on this. Ma'am, it's a pure sari and you have a 30% off. Amaraditi, ma'am, I'll show you. And I wore a black sari, no ma'am, I'll show you. I wore a black with red border. I have colors in that. People have been waiting. Nirosha, ma'am, I still don't have kids, so I'm only a kid. You can see me only. Still I don't have kids, ma'am. Nannu చూసుకొని మురిసిపోండి చాలు. మా అమ్మ అయితే నన్ను చూసి మురిసిపోద్ది. This is a magenta pink with a green color andi. Magenta pink and a green border. Antique border this is. Beautiful antique border with this green. The price of this, ma'am, the price of the sari is 15,500 and you have a 30% off. You get it at 11,000 or change. Next. Show me that blue, babu. Ma'am, I wore a black sari, you remember. A lot of people have been asking me. I have colors in this. The one before this, the sky blue. Ma'am, that is 18,000 change and you have a 30% off on that. These are my favorite saris again. People, borderless saris. People have missed them last time. Go for these. Lovely, exclusive saris these are. One of my favorites, I must say. See, this is how the pallu and the sari. Very beautiful. Very nice saris, ma'am, these are. With this antique border. You see this antique border? Everything so beautiful, ma'am, this is. This is how it is, only. And this is how the pallu is. Ma'am, don't miss these saris. These are pure saris. You see the pure fabric. I have colors in this, ma'am. Lovely saris these are. Next is a bottle green. This is a bottle green, and bottle green with deep maroon. Hello Shashi ma'am, I received a Kanchiputtu sari. Lovely color combination. Thank you ma'am. Ma'am, this saris don't miss, ma'am. Very beautiful saris these are. Bhuvneshwari ma'am, buy this green if you don't have. It's nice actually. Earrings are also nice for this, see. What silk is this? This is a pure Banarasi silk, ma'am, like this. It's a pure Banarasi silk. Lovely it looks. This is actually 15,599. This is 15,599, ma'am. But last time I've given it at a discount. Lovely saris these are. You guys can team up with a pure Banarasi blouse or something like that. I have a wine color also in this. Look at this pure sari. Excellent sari, ma'am. This is. Don't miss it. People who love the pure saris, this is a kind for you. మెయింటైన్ కొంచెం జాగ్రత్తగా చేసుకోండి మ్యామ్, కానీ దీని ఫాల్ కానీ ఫీల్ కానీ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ద బ్లౌజ్. मैम दिस इज 15,999 विदाउट डिस्काउंट एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी. ये बहुत अच्छा है मैम, इसका फैब्रिक की क्वालिटी अच्छा है और इसका वीविंग जो टेक्निक है वो भी को बहुत टेक्निकली अच्छा करा. मगर एक ही चीज़ है, इसमें थोड़ा मेंटेनेंस रहता क्योंकि ये प्योर साड़ीज़ है ना. और इसका पल्लू भी देख लीजिए आप, ये पल्लू है मैम. प्लीज़ टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट एंड सेंड इट ऑन 9949047889. Bridal collections, please. Tapakunda ma'am. This is yellow in the similar variety. Whatever the antique zari you're seeing, it's a pure zari, ma'am. You can see it little close. This is all pure weaving. And you guys can team up with an orange. Kanchi kalamkari, I'm getting them done. So, ma'am, this is how the yellow looks. Shashi ma'am, are you like cold? No, ma'am, kuch nahi hai, I'm fine. This is a mustard with a brown. This is mustard with brown and it's very nice. Look, the glow of the sari with the face and everything changes, ma'am. According to the colors, a lot of times we look pretty. This is the pallu. Lovely sari with an antique border. This is the border. My sari is superb, thank you. This is one more in the wine color, ma'am. Beautiful wineish purple this is. Just go with a nice thick purple brocade blouse or blouse of this only. Oh, this blouse is excellent, ma'am, if you see. See the blouse, complete weaving it is. ఫుల్ బ్లౌజ్ పెట్టాలి రా, ఇది అప్పుడే తెలుస్తుంది. This is how the blouse is, ma'am. It's very beautiful, see. Pure Banarasi sari. Pure pink Banarasi sari with a pink antique. This is all weaving, ma'am. This is all weaving if you see. You see the quality of the fabric and everything. Very beautiful sari. This is 16,300, ma'am, with this pallu. Lovely sari it is. Please take a screenshot and send it on 9949047889. This is a bottle green. Very beautiful bottle green sari it is. This is very beautiful, ma'am. Don't miss this sari. For this also the blouse is amazing. See, for these kind of saris, I prefer blouses printed like this, ma'am, because it looks nice. It's like this, ma'am. Very beautiful, ma'am. Don't miss this. It's 16,299. This is all pure weaving, ma'am. You see, this is all pure weaving. These motifs are also not machine made. They are handmade motifs. Lovely sari and lovely blouse. Very beautiful it is, ma'am. And this is the pallu. మీరు చూపిస్తూ ఉంటే చీరకి అందం వస్తుంది శశి. Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I have a red color, Andy. I'll show you the red color sari. Beautiful it is. Nana. I'm coming from Gulbarga, Karnataka. Which shop of yours suggest shopping, ma'am? Ma'am, our store is Mugdha. You can come down in Banjara Hills showroom, ma'am. This is one more nice sari. This is a red, ma'am. Beautiful red. Nagahima Bindu. Hi, Nana. How are you? People who wanted to see my earrings. Yeah, these are the earrings. The other day I was seeing my clients taking the picture, so I thought I should zoom and show you. And this is a neck piece. If anybody want to take a print, take it. And these are the earrings. And this is how the red sari with a bottle green blouse. Completely zari it is. And with the Zantic motifs. This is nice, ma'am. Born here. Ma'am, is very grand. Smart piece, ma'am. This is very smart piece. 16,299. Beautiful sari it is. And look at this weaving. Ma'am, these are available only online, ma'am. But you have lot of other collection also in the store. I'll put them. Bangles are from Pavanmo Jewelers, ma'am. Pavanmo Jewelers, Vajragutta. This is how the blouse is. This is the blouse of the red sari I've shown, and this is how the weaving is. Lovely weaving it is. And this is the sari. 16,299. Don't miss it, ma'am. Looking tired? No, ma'am. Tired and ledu. Konchu ivalu ontlo baaledu. So that's why I'm little slow today. This is a light purple color. Excellent sari this also. Show the blouse for this. The blouse is a contrast green. Kanchipattu I'll show you, ma'am. Little patient. Just few more saris and then I'll show you the Kanjivaram lehengas. This is the blouse. For such kind of saris, go with exclusive blouses like this. Borderless saris demands printed blouses, ma'am. They demand printed blouses because they look very cool. See. This is all weaving. Are these any offers on the borderless saris? Kishore, choose ke mana offers tavemo. Ma'am, this is how the sari is. Gauri ma'am, thank you. And this is how the pallu is. If they look good on me, they will look even more good on you guys because you look prettier than me. So, this is the pallu and this is the blouse. 16,299. ఎక్కువగా హాయ్ చెప్పిన వారికి మాత్రమే మీరు రిప్లై. అయ్యో బాబు, అర్చన మామిడి మ్యామ్ ఏం లేదు, అలా ఏదో మిస్ అవుతూ వర్క్లో ఇది చూస్తూ చెప్పలేనేమో, మిస్ అయ్యి ఉంటాను, సారీ. దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ ఇన్ ద రాణి పింక్ అండి, ఇన్ ద సేమ్ ఫ్యాబ్రిక్, ప్యూర్ బనారసీ సారీ. Kanchipattu lehengas I'm going to show you guys, ma'am. This is the last sari of this Banarasi material. We bought sari and lehenga in your Secunderabad store and they are awesome. Rajita ma'am, thank you. And look at this pretty blouse. And this pretty sari. It's lovely, ma'am. The blouse is so nice, ma'am. If you see, it's a pure weaving. It's a Rani pink, ma'am. Rani pink with border. Pure sari it is. You see? These are all the pure weaves. This is just 12,599. That's it. 12,599 rupees. Don't miss this sari with this excellent blouse. Done. Now you tell me what is that you want me to show. ఇది కొంచెం తీసుకురా బిడ్డ. Srilata ma'am, hi. Hi Shashi. No problem. I'm okay, ma'am. I'm okay. Ma'am, tomorrow I'll spin the wheel for you guys. You want to see soft silk, Tussar Banaras. I've shown you a few Tussar Banaras in this. అవి చూపినా? అది వేసుకోవాలి, అప్పుడే అర్థమవుతుంది. అది వేసుకుంటేనే కనెక్ట్ అవుతారు నాన్న, లేకపోతే అర్థం కాదు. అది ప్యూర్ టస్సర్ కదా. రుతా చిరాగ్ మ్యామ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. బనారస్లో మామ్ అండ్ డాటర్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? ఐ హ్యావ్ టు సీ దట్ మ్యామ్. పాప ఇవి ఇచ్చేస్తే ఫినిష్ చేసేద్దాం కదా. Floral Kanjivaram Shashi, every time I check they're out. Ma'am, you know what? I'm getting a lot of floral lehengas and floral Kanjivarams, but 20-25 days padutundi ma'am, because I'm getting them ready. You guys can wear them for this Dasara which is coming up. I don't have any 1699 rupees sarees ma'am. 16,900. Now let's see the Banarasi Tussar sarees. People who have been asking me, I have Banarasi Tussars. This is a beige color Banarasi Tussar saree with this border. This is how it is, ma'am. Beige color Banarasi Tussar. Show the blouse. You see the border, ma'am? This is how it is. The price of the sari is 11,150 and you have a 20% off on this, ma'am. You get somewhere around 8.5 or 9 if my maths is right. This is a beige color pure Banarasi tussar sari andi. 11,150 and you have a 20% off on this. Please show, I want ocean green for my mom. Please show if you have ocean green ante. Okay, ma'am, let me try. This is 11,150 andi. You have a 20%. This is Dupian Banaras Pattu only, ma'am. Let me show you the pallu. This is how the pallu is. Lovely sari.
Nice.
Tissue patola saris, I'll get it, ma'am. Everything, ma'am, you're getting Pythonis also. For this Dasera, I think by next month I'm going to show you Pythonis, patolas, zarikotas. I am getting them ready, ma'am. So just bear with me. This is a blue Banarasi. Beautiful blue Banarasi. Oh, lovely color this is, man. This is so beautiful. Ma'am, don't miss this sari. Chala baundi. Tumba chennagida. Ye bahut khoobsurat hai. I know 3 languages. I learned Tamil. What is that? Nambasariya. I will tell. Wait. Nambasariya nalla irukkum. Ma'am, Nambasariya nalla irukkum. Neek Tamil vacha? Nambasariya nalla irukkum, ma'am. This is a beautiful blue and red color sari. Lovely it is. Namma Sibbandi nalla irukkum, ma'am. Namma Sibbandi means my team is also very good. Nena nechukuna una karla. This is a beautiful blue and red. Lovely sari this is. Don't miss this. 11,500, ma'am. 11,500. I have a bottle green and red also. 11,500, ma'am. Indaku chupichindi. 11,500. Bhuneshwari, ma'am. You also nalla irukkum. This is a green with red color. Beautiful sari this is. Pure Banaras, if you can see the weave and everything. Lovely sari this is. 11,500 and look at the blouse. It's a full Banarasi blouse. లేదు నాన్న దీపిక విజిట్ చేయలేదురా అమ్మాయి వాళ్ళు పులిహార చేసింది అది తిన్నానంతే how many color ma'am any color ma'am Banaras ma'am see the colors I'm showing they're very nice bottle green with red this is Jabala Sandhya ma'am let me know which floral Kanchipuram you want Deepika Santosh definitely this is a green and red 11,500 who want to check my earrings I'll zoom it for you guys see yeah these are Katan silks only and Katan Banaras saris don't miss them the weaving everything is Katan if you turn the back see the back ma'am the Katan weaving Ninga nalla irkenga okay I am also fine or you're saying me you're also good Ninga nalla irkenga okay fine Hi Shashi looking traditionally. Thank you ma'am. This is a hot cake. Lot of people just like that they'll buy. Beautiful yellow and black. Excellent pure Banarasi Kathan sari. Ocean green ante turquoise style. Nen chupistanu ma'am. Ma'am don't miss this sari. With this blouse. Yellow and black. Lovely sari it is. Nice no ma'am? Team up like this ma'am 11,500 very beautiful sari it is border everything is also so nice let me show you the border little close ma'am this is a pure Banarasi sari nice bangles Shashi thank you ma'am and ma'am this is the pallu of the yellow and black super cute thank you I purchased almost 2 lakh worth sarees last week my brother wearing all are beautiful Harika Imadi ma'am thank you photos pampichra Shru Pavan hi this is a nice color purple off-white pink saree any colors in that ma'am let me check 11,500 ma'am all these sarees are they are beautiful ma'am this is a purple with silver Hi Shashi, happy to see you but not my hub. వాట్? హాయ్ శశి, హ్యాపీ టు సీ యూ బట్ నాట్ మై హబ్బీ. అర్థం కాలే. అంటే మీ ఆయనకి నేను ఇష్టం లేదా మ్యామ్? చీరలు కొనిపించరంటనా? హే శశి, your mom very beautiful soul, get her on live sometime. I will ma'am, definitely. This is a beautiful sari, aqua blue color sari. This is how the sari is, only purple color with this purple blouse. And this is how the border is. Beautiful ma'am, 11,500. Don't miss these saris ma'am. At least for the color you guys can buy them. Automatically team up with a nice pink lipstick, purple sari, they look pretty. Nahi madam, chalta. I want to read it loud because if there are any mistakes I have to correct it, right? Shashi beta, I have to read loud. Read privately. This about the experience in your Banjara Hills store today. I really wanted to buy sarees from you. I sent my cousin and she did a video call. మా వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా విదపని చేశారా సరిగ్గా చూపించలేదా? అయ్యో మ్యామ్, మ్యామ్ లెట్ మీ నో your number. I'll personally do a video call and show you. Ma'am. The bangles, Nandana ma'am, see the bangles, people who want to see. The middle one are also diamonds and the corner one are also diamonds. I had a fantasy of wearing such kind of bangles. Namita ma'am, हाँ मेरा पति मेरे को छोड़ देते अभी घर में भी लाइव बना रही मैं. Any green color sari? Yes, this is the green color sari. Ma'am, I will make sure I will personally do the video call and show you. I apologize on my team's behalf ma'am. This is a green and pink sari andi. Lovely green and pink sari. Very beautiful sari this is. See. Beautiful green. అమ్మకి ఏమైనా వాటర్ కావాలో తగ్గుతుంది. This is a green and pink. Pure Banarasi sari andi. అమ్మా, you want some water? దా నువ్వు హాయ్ చెప్తుందా, నీకు నుంచి అందరు వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అమ్మకు వాటర్ ఇవే. ఏమైందిరా? వద్దా అమ్మా? కుక్కర్ స్విచ్ అంటే అయిపోమ్మా. అమ్మ అన్నం వండడం మర్చిపోయింది. ఏంటి నువ్వు అన్నం వండడం మర్చిపోయావా? లుక్ ఎట్ మై మామ్ హౌ షీస్ తొంగి తొంగి చూసుడు ఫ్రమ్ దేర్. అమ్మ నేను నిన్ను చూపించేస్తున్నా. హాయ్ చెప్పమ్మా. మై మామ్ హాయ్ చెప్పు. ఏం కాదు రా అమ్మా. ఏం పెళ్లి చూపులు కాదు, రావే మనకి. Sarita Murdu ma'am, I'm sorry once again Sarita ma'am. This is a green and a pink sari. అమ్మ రా నువ్వు హాయ్ చెప్పు. ఎవ్వరేం అనుకోరు అమ్మ, అందరు వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో కూడా ఐడియల్ వేసుకుని ఉంటారు, ఏం కాదు. This is a beautiful green and pink color sari. అమ్మ దా, ఏం కాదు. My mom is shy that she wore a nightie. She don't want to come. Everybody will comment I'm a designer's mother. Is it chumma? Video call for suits. You had a sale for suits sets but couldn't buy because I will ma'am. I will show you. I will show. Ma'am, this sari is also nice. 11,500 ma'am. Don't miss this. Amma. Blue and red this is. Come. This is a blue and a red sari. My mom is coming. You have to tell auntie అందరు ఇంట్లోనే ఇట్లానే ఉంటారు, లిప్స్టిక్లు పెట్టుకొని రెడీ అవ్వరు ఆంటీ, ఏం కాదు రండి అని చెప్పండి. సో మచ్ కాన్షియస్ మై మామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో లవ్లీ సారీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లూ అండ్ రెడ్ అండి, ఎంత బాగుందో ఇది. సి నవితా మ్యామ్ బోలో నా మమ్మీ కో. This is a beautiful blue and red lovely sari it is. Don't miss this sari. It's a blue, deep blue with a red ma'am. And the color combination, everything is so nice. The price of the sari is 11,500 and it's very nice. Business ఏముంది మ్యామ్, ఇవాళ ఉంటుంది రేపు బాద్ది. అలా you have to balance everything, no? ఉండాలని అనుకుంటున్నాను ఎల్లకాలం, బట్ నథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ అవర్ హ్యాండ్స్ నౌ. I know. Come. Say hi to my mom. Okay? చీరేం కట్టుకోకే, నీకేం పెళ్లి చూపులు కాదురా. కమ్. మై మమ్మ. సే హాయ్.
హాయ్, అందరూ బాగున్నారండి? అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పు నువ్వు.
హలో, హౌ ఆర్ యూ? వీఆర్ ఫైన్.
విఆర్ పైన నువ్వెందుకు చెప్తున్నావు?
నీ గురించి కూడా నేను చెప్తున్నాను. అది
ఓకే. నమస్తే అమ్మ, హౌ యూ? సి
ఐ ఆమ్ ఫైన్.
you should listen to my mom's English. It is so funny. Amma English lo matladu. All the clients are they're from all different place. Amma hi amma, hi mom,
hi.
Namaste. See, so many people are saying you hi.
Namaste andariki.
Ask what you want. You want to say hi? How are you?
Hi.
English lo adugu.
ఎలా ఉన్నారండి అందరూ?
అక్కడ హిందీ వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కాదు ఇది.
అర్థమవుతుంది.
My mom doesn't speak in English. See, Amma, reply them, no? Auntie spoke really well on the other day. That's what speak, mom. Amma, somebody is asking you to talk in English. Talk.
నాకు ఇంగ్లీష్ అంత బాగా రాదండి, అందుకని ఏమనుకోకండి.
అమ్మ మాట్లాడవే, ఏం కాదు.
తెలుగు ఓన్లీ.
But Hindi people can't understand you. Speak in English.
నువ్వు ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ చేయి.
I don't want to translate. I want my mom to talk so that you'll understand and laugh. Sam మా మన రెగ్యులర్ క్లయింట్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు అని అడుగుతుంది.
బాగున్నావమ్మా, మీరు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు?
డిన్నర్ అంటే ఏం చేసావు అని అడుగుతున్నారు.
ఏముందమ్మా, వెజిటేరియన్ కదా.
అయితే ఏం చేసావు?
పప్పు, దోసకాయ పచ్చడి, చారు.
నువ్వు నీ దోసకాయ పచ్చడి ఆపే, పాష్ గా చెప్పాలి. ఐ మేడ్ పిజ్జా, ఐ మేడ్ బర్గర్ టు మై డాటర్ అని చెప్పాలి.
నాకు రావమ్మా.
దోసకాయ పప్పు
సాంప్రదాయంగా ఏమి వస్తాయి అవి వస్తాయి.
My mom is over. See, look at the way she's holding my hand. My mom looks so young. ఖతర్నాక్ హైదరాబాదీ హిందీ అమ్మా. అయ్యో, యూ షుడ్ సీ వై హిందీ. అమ్మా అట్లీస్ట్ హిందీలో మాట్లాడమ్మా. మాట్లాడు ఒకసారి.
आप लोग कैसा है? हम अच्छा है.
ఇంకా
एक बार हमारा शॉप को आओ, एक बार देख के जाओ सब लोग.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే,
బాయ్ చెప్పు.
బాయ్.
Amma, you got a gem daughter. You feel that, ma'am? You ask my mom. నేను one of the most troubled daughter. I don't eat properly. I don't do anything properly. అమ్మ చెప్పు, అసలు నేను తింటానా? సతాయిస్తాను కదా.
ప్రతి వాళ్ళు అంతే కదా, వాళ్ళ అమ్మ దగ్గర బాగా సతాయిస్తారు.
Because of Pappu, you look good, not pizzas. మీరు కలిసి శశి ఈజ్ అ బ్రాండ్ అమ్మ శశి ఈజ్ అ బ్రాండ్ అమ్మ అంట. ఏమిస్తావు ఆన్సర్ దానికి?
అంతే మరి, కరెక్ట్.
మా అమ్మకి ఏమీ అర్థం కావు, ఏమీ ఫరక్ పడవు. ఓ బహుత్ అచ్చా హిందీ है आपका అంట. శుక్రియా.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నాట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ, శుక్రియా మేడం అను.
శుక్రియా మేడం.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే,
బాయ్.
అందరికీ బాయ్.
Yes, please. I just want my mom to be a little comfortable. I want her to be busy with things. If not, she keeps thinking again what happened in our lives and everything. Pizza, burgers. Hey, I'm just kidding, ma'am. My mom cooks pappu, doskai pachadi, avkai pachadi, charu. That's it. Nothing more than that. This is a beautiful baby pink sari with a silver border. This color is also lovely, ma'am. Don't miss this sari. Baby pink with a silver. My mom, she did a video yesterday. I uploaded. 1 lakh people saw. Every day she's asking me how many people commented, how many people saw. I told Mom, I think I'm the luckiest because in your generation there's no internet. If you had internet, you would have killed me like how I'm killing. How many likes, how many shares, how many views. See the obsession for the 70s generation also, 60s, 70s. My mom is hearing. This is a baby pink with a silver andi. Don't miss this. 11,500. Beautiful sari, ma'am. This one is. Let me show. Somebody was asking me the brown color. Ma'am, I have pattu lehengas. Today I'm going to show you pattu lehengas. This is a brown with a pink. This is a brown with a pink. Lovely sari it is. This is a brown with a pink andi. Dark coffee brown, ma'am. Very dark coffee brown with a pink border. After we lost our brother, it's very tough for mom to, come out of that very void space and everything. I'm trying to make her busy. I'm trying to, something or the other, she's busy with the work and everything. That's why I brought her on live, so that again she'll be little happy. She'll talk to you guys. She'll again go and research. So yeah, this is a brown and pink, beautiful sari. This is the pallu. 11,500. It's my dream to buy your saris. I took phone. Will buy one soon. Thank you, ma'am. Rajeshwari da. Oh, lovely color. This is a beautiful, lovely orange. Very beautiful. Nana, this blouse better. Chala bagundi chira. Ma'am, this saree is nice. This orange enta bagundi. Eppudu ma oranges e naku. కట్టడానికి చాలా బాగుంది. Ma'am, this is a nice orange color sari with a silver border. Look at this weave. This is all the pure weave if you see with silver. And this is how the sari is. Lovely sari andi. And this is the pallu. 11,500 rupees. And this is the deep navy blue with a silver border. This is a beautiful deep navy blue and a silver border andi. Lovely it is. See, even this is also a nice sari with this blouse. Rajeshwari ma'am, thank you. Yeah, these all are the Tussar Banaras only, Andy, with silver border. Excellent. Matka silk, you guys call it, right? Something like Matka, Tussar. These are all the pure saris, ma'am. This is how it is, see? With this blouse. 11,500, Andy. This is the pallu. Next, I have a beautiful red color. అయ్యో హిమబిందు మ్యామ్ అట్లా ఏం లేదు, అన్నీ బాగున్నాయి అని ఫీల్ అవ్వాలి అంతే. ఎవరైనా బాగాలేదని చెప్పినా కానీ బాగుంది అని చెప్పాలి అంతే. అప్పుడే హ్యాపీనెస్ ఉంటుంది మనకి. Padmalata ma'am, this is also very nice, very beautiful red with silver ma'am. This is generally you get antique borders and all, but these are very rare stock what you get ma'am. Beautiful silver border, red and silver border. Don't miss this sari. Tipparthi Anusha ma'am, thank you. This is a red and silver sari with loads of inspiration from you. I started my business in sarees. Oh Anusha Gupta, I really wish you all the best. Congratulations. You should really succeed in whatever you do. Any help, just let me know. Make sure always the customer satisfaction is maintained. That's a fundamental key for your business. This is the silver pallu, and this is the border ma'am. 11,500. We have shown something like this, no? 11,500 ma'am. This is a grey with red border, antique border. No ma'am, orange I don't think we have, but still if there's anything I'll surely mention you guys. This is also 11,500. Very beautiful saree it is. Pallu and the blouse. This is the antique zari border. You visited my store. Thank you, ma'am. Discount is going on. Yes, we have discount, ma'am. I mean, I just extended it, ma'am, because a lot of people couldn't avail it because of their office timings, work timings, and all. So I will be doing live and show you a lot of good saris. This is Mehendi green with Rani pink, ma'am. Very beautiful Mehendi green and Rani pink. Lovely sari this is. Antique border. This is all 11,500. Mehendi green with this blouse. This is the blouse, ma'am. Rajeshwari Devi, ma'am. Thank you. The last 4 or 5 sarees in this collection, ma'am. This is a pink one with a copper, with a blue. Beautiful pink and blue this is. This is very beautiful saree. You see the antique border, ma'am? Nice it is. Blue and pink with this antique border. Small border it is. Priyadarshini, ma'am, hi. Are these discounted sarees? Not on everything, ma'am, but we will try to give you the best. What is the fabric? It's a pure tussar. Tussar, ma'am, this is. Lovely saree. It is 11,500. The last 3 or 4 sarees. Ocean green, sir, నేను రాగానే చెప్తాను sir, Vignan Dasri. This is bottle green with pink, 11,500. Beautiful tussar. Excellent saree this is. Nana pink blouse betra. Very beautiful saree, ma'am, this is. Better. Ma'am, it's like this. Green with an antique border and a pink blouse. విజయవాడలో మీ బొటీక్ ఉందా మ్యామ్? మ్యామ్, వీఆర్ ఓపెనింగ్ ఇన్ విజయవాడ. అందరూ వెయిట్ చేయండి, కొనుక్కోకండి సరేనా? మేబీ దిస్ మంత్ ఎండ్ విల్ ఓపెన్ దేర్ మోస్ట్లీ. ఐమ్ నాట్ ష్యూర్. ఇంటీరియర్స్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ఓవర్ దేర్. విజయవాడ అండ్ వైజాగ్. We are coming. Next. This is a red with a green sari. Beautiful sari. This is red and green. Shannu ma'am, Bangalore soon, definitely. Beautiful deep maroon with a green with an antique border and with this blouse. 11,500. Lovely saris these are. You call it matka, you call it Banarasi tussars with kadwa weavings. All these are 11,500, ma'am. Just show it like that, Nana. Red and green చూపించేట డైరెక్ట్గా అటు ఇచ్చేసిరా చూపిద్దాము. Anybody want to buy this red and green, you guys can happily buy. This is also one of the beautiful sarees with this antique border. It's lovely. Next I have a cream with pink. Beautiful tussar saree. Handloom sarees, ma'am, buy this, it's nice. Gayatri, hey Gayatri, how are you? Long time. Where did you go, girl? You forgot us, you forgot. This is a beautiful cream and pink color. This is how pretty it is, ma'am. Lovely saree it is. Definitely Rajeshwari, ma'am. Definitely. Bangle set is nice. Thank you, ma'am. My favorite these are. Very beautiful saree this is. 11,500. This is a different color, ma'am, actually. Very different color combination saree. It's a deep wine with a darkest wine border. Georgettes, Leela ma'am, I'll get it for you, ma'am. Leela ma'am, tomorrow mostly I'll try to do Georgettes for you guys. I don't have Georgettes today. Rishita ma'am, we have fancy tussars. I have to wear and show you, then only you'll understand. In Chupistan. This is a beautiful Banarasi saree with a wine color combination. Don't miss this. Dasara is there, Diwali is there. On 9th you have Vinayak Chavti. So please buy all these pretty sarees and wear it. And whoever bought the sarees for this Varalakshmi Vratam, thank you. I received all your pictures, guys, whoever have sent. అయిపోయిందారా? అంతే కదా ఇంకా అంతే. This is one saree which is left out of this border. Don't open, that's okay. This is blue. Somebody was asking for the blue with pink. This is one sari. 11.5. Okay, now we are done with this episode. I'm going to connect with you guys. What's the time? 10:30. No, ma'am. ఇంకొక half an hour లో నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక ఎపిసోడ్ చేద్దాము, ఓకేనా? So that you guys can see the beautiful and the pretty sarees from Mugdha. We have our showrooms in Banjara Hills, Jubilee Hills, Secunderabad. Soon we are coming to Vijayawada and Vizag, so stay tuned for more updates. Ma'am, these are not heavy in weight. Don't forget to take a screenshot and send it to us. You guys can avail the offer with the team. Till tomorrow I'm going to do రేపటి వరకు లైవ్ చేస్తాను మ్యామ్, చూడండి సరేనా? మళ్ళీ ఒక అరగంటలో కనెక్ట్ అవుదాము. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోకండి, ఈ గ్యాప్లో తినేవాళ్ళు తినండి, పడుకోకండి, సరేనా? బాయ్.